welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be in a great, exciting new thing. Today we have a special guest. Today, those of you who has known me and knows what's been going on for the last 5 or 6 months, I have a very special guest with me, and today we have my dad. Daddy, say hi to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
So today we are going to be making some beef tamales. Now, there's so many different ways. Pork tamales, I'm sorry. So today, what we're going to do is we're just going to do some steps by steps and taking a lot of photos and stuff. So I'm just very honored that my dad is here with us. And he is walking on his own. Thank you for your guys' support, love, and a lot of prayers. Means so much to us. Thank you guys so much. And we're gonna just do some steps. So if you guys have any questions, there's comments down below. So please hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to share. So let me let you guys know that there's so many different ways on how to make some tamales. So we made the meat and everything the night before, so it can be a lot more better for my dad and I. So you can do it that way as well. So a lot of people have different steps and that you can make. So let's just go ahead and get started, shall we? All right. So here is, that's what we made yesterday. All right, look at that. Look at that. Yummy, yum. And then here is the masa.
Masa with salt.
With salt. How much salt, Dad?
Well, depends how many pounds of masa you want to mix. Because
okay.
we are going to mix 5 pounds.
Okay.
And then we're going to put about 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
A baking powder.
You know.
Perfect. So he's just sprinkling a little bit.
And then for the color, we're going to add maybe 1 tablespoon of chili.
And that's California chili.
Yeah, California chili.
And we grinded it and everything else.
We use for the meat.
Yeah. So I'll go ahead and zoom in what he is doing. Ooh, doesn't that look good? And you guys can try this stuff. You guys can add, and it just adds color and more flavor to the masa. A lot of people is like, what are you guys doing? It just adds a lot more flavor, and you can always add, and always you can try a little for your salt intake, so it's not so salty.
We wouldn't put it together, mix together.
And my dad used to own a restaurant, so he's used to this. And we're just gonna mix and mix until it's nice and smooth. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna take you guys a little bit over here to this corn husk. What we did is we soaked it in the hot water for what, 30 minutes?
Yeah.
30, 40 minutes, depending on how many you have.
And then we separate
and you separate it. You
to
see?
take all the corn husk hair.
Yes.
Hair.
So you want to get rid of these little things, the hairs, and to get it softened. And just depends on how many you're gonna make. Always just get extra. And it's called corn husk, right there. It's called corn husk. So.
Then we're going to put it lard, masa.
And we're going to put lard. How much lard do we put in the masa?
About 5 pounds, maybe a pound and a half.
Okay. And some people want to know, why do you put lard in the masa?
Because the thing that they give you a flavor, the tamales, the lard.
Okay.
And to make it soft. If you put lard, then while you cook the tamal, that'll be too hard.
I get a little bit closer. You see how he's just mixing it to the consistency, just to make it smooth. So this is nice, and we will be right back, and we are going to show you guys how to roll it. Now some people are going to be like, well, what on earth are they doing? And like I said, there are so many different ways on how to make the tamales. You know, this is our way, and a lot of people has other other ways that they make from their own family. So share your guys' family's recipes and stuff. You know, we may never know if we like them, or you know, this is our way, and my dad's been doing this for so many years, and with his restaurant that he had. So this is our way, and I'm just honored to share this finally with you guys. It's been a very long time, but like I said, it's been one heck of 5 months. So thank you guys for your patience as well, and I thank you. And we are doing this for Christmas, and you know, God is good. So just share something nice with the family that you guys have. So number one thing is definitely our health and our family, and love, lots of love, and call one another sometime. And for us, it's been different, but each day is so strong, and it's getting better. So and we're just happy that we're sharing this with you guys. So if you guys do have any questions, down below, it's called comments. Please share, subscribe, hit the notification. And if you guys like any of this, or if you guys want to ask my dad some questions, there's comments down below. So please comment down. Share what your stories, share what you guys like, what you guys don't like. Like I said, you guys are not gonna agree with everything, and that is okay, but let's just be respectful and just know, like, this is